Hi, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video we have learned one of the traversal algorithm, that is depth first search algorithm. In this video we will learn breadth first search algorithm. So what are these algorithms useful for is like traversing the whole graph nodes. As I explained in the previous video, for arrays or lists we can use direct for loop or while loop to print all objects or all values of the arrays or lists, but graph don't have any direct data structure like that. So we need to follow certain algorithm to print all nodes of a graph. So the basic algorithms are depth first search and breadth first search. So we will discuss what is breadth first search algorithm. So depth first search algorithm uses stack, and in breadth first search algorithm we use queue. Let's learn breadth first search algorithm here. So first we need to convert this graph into adjacency list. For this one you can see the previous videos how to store in adjacency list, and we should maintain the visited boolean array so that we can avoid cycles in the graph. So we will follow. So we will first have visited boolean array for all nodes 0, 1, 2, 3. This is a boolean array. First all will be 0, so nothing is visited. So first we need to push starting node into queue and mark as visited. So let's say this is the queue. Everyone knows queue is first in last out. We will insert nodes in this end and we will dequeue nodes in this end. First we will push the starting node 0. We'll push right here and we will mark 0 as visited. Then dequeue the queue and process it. Process means here we are just printing the nodes. We can do any action on that particular node. So dequeue is first remove 0, process it, that is we are just printing the nodes, that is output is 0. Now find all adjacency list of 0 which are not visited and push into stack, push into queue. So 0 has 1 and 2 as adjacency list, so we will put into queue because 1 and 2 both are not visited already, so we will push both 1 and 2 and we will mark as visited. So again repeat 2 and 3 steps until queue is empty. So dequeue the queue, process the node and push adjacency list. So here we will remove 1 and process it, then 1 has 2 as adjacency list. So 2 is already visited, so we won't push anything into that, and again we will follow dequeue, we will remove 2, we will process it, we will find adjacency list, that is 0 and 3. Here if you observe 0 is already visited, we won't push into queue, and 3 we will push 3 into queue and mark as visited. Then again we will dequeue 3, process it and find it has itself as adjacency list, that is marked as already visited, so we won't push anything. So now queue became empty, so here we stop the algorithm. So this is the output of the breadth first search algorithm. So the time complexity of breadth first algorithm is order of number of vertices plus edges. because finding adjacency list of particular node is equal to number of edges. If you use, instead of adjacency list, if you use adjacency matrix representation of a graph, the order will be v square. So the time complexity of this is more. That's why we use adjacency list for reducing the time complexity. So why this algorithm is called breadth first search algorithm means, if you observe, first it went to 0, then it went to 1 2, it went to 0, then 1 2. It is processing the nodes level by level. This is one level and this is one level. So like that it will process nodes level by level. In depth first search algorithm, if you observe, it will go into deep first. It will explore 0, it will explore 2, then it will explore 3, then it will come to 1. So if you see the previous video, the output of the depth first search algorithm will be 0, 2, 3 and 1. So there is so much variation in the output of two algorithms. So these are the two basic traversing algorithms of a graph that everyone should know. So follow up my channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.